Okay, Saw X's soundtrack slaps, dude. What's going on? How come I only got to see one trap and it wasn't even a real trap? Not giving a crap about anybody.
Ladies, the library is open, okay?
For the very first time, I was actually really excited to see these people in the traps. She takes that mask off and she's like, "Sup?" No, I will never rewatch that scene again. But I will say, the blood in this film, this scene blew my mind. What I wish was in this film was, spoilers for Saw 7, by the way. Alright, let me just...